Hey, how it's going with you? My name is Celine, and if you have been following my review, this is another one. Today, I'm happy to welcome you to my review of monthly income system. Now, for those of us who used to or are currently having a full-time job as an employee, we just wait for the paycheck every month. But what Dawood Islam and his partner, both of them are the creator of a monthly income system, Kent Browser, and Dawood Islam. What they want to show you is that they are already doing their professional affiliate marketing, and they are saying that this particular system that they are sharing with you can give you a monthly income. And it's a system that you set up, and they say it will be running on its own. So that sounds very good. And so you need to see whether, does it work for you? Okay, so I will be taking you to the sales page, running it through, but I would encourage you to please read the sales page carefully before you make a decision to buy. Then we'll go into the members area to see what it's like if you have bought it, the product, what it's like. Now the members area will always be for the front end product. So it will not cover the upsells. Let's go to the members area. Right. Here we are in the members area. So you notice that, okay, sorry, this is the sales page. Okay, let me just quickly take you through. We'll go to the members area after this. So in this, there's a video sales letter. And I started it already. So it has come to this sentence where this person is just walking, and then the question pops up. Do you feel as if you are on a never-ending treadmill? Well, this is an interesting question. This immediately grabs our attention because we say we wake up, we go to work, we come back. So it's like a treadmill. You're like running. Some people call it a rat race. Okay, so you're like stuck with it. So this is a very interesting question. Now, when you see the sales page, listen to this video for yourself, because this is Dawood Islam here, and when you click it, he is the founder of Elite Tigers Group. So when you purchase monthly income system, one of the areas they ask you to go into is that sign up for Elite Tigers Group, and you get him to be your mentor. So this is why you can subscribe to it. So there are more videos that he has taught. So watch this video. It's in about 4 minutes. Watch it on your own. So here, very briefly, the monthly income system is such that you set up once, earn every month. So it's called monthly income system. The programs they put there, it's free to join and promote. So you don't need to pay people to promote for them. It's free. And at the same time, they will show you a technique of how, as you promote, you are able to build your list on autopilot. Then you earn multiple repeat monthly commissions. As usual, one of the key point that attracts people is that, is it newbie friendly? I'm new. Can I do it? So they said it's totally newbie friendly. And when I take you into the members area, you probably can understand what I mean and what they mean by it. So I've been there. I said, yeah, it is like newbie friendly because they again take you through everything and set up for you. There's easy to follow video tutorials. You set it all up in minutes, and there's also done for you squeeze pages. They actually have done it for you. So which means what? It's an opt-in page. It's like almost a landing page. People land there, put your email, put this one, okay, down. So this is where it's done for you. So here at any time you can click on it to get this. This is a sales page. So run through the sales page yourself, and you can have a look at it here. You'll see two of them. This is Kent Browser, and this is Dawood Islam. So this is what they actually tell you, and you run through. So please read it carefully, read the sales page carefully, and that's exactly where monthly income system comes in, where they fix your traffic problems. You need traffic. So no traffic, no sales. So they say with monthly income system, you will be giving your clients more monthly traffic than they could ever possibly need to run their business now. Because again, I'm always very careful when they say ever possibly need. So you will be able to generate monthly traffic for your clients. Okay, so this is where that's important. And from various traffic sources, and they will be happy to pay you month after month after month. So this is what it's called, the monthly income system. Go through the sales page carefully again so you can make a right decision. All you need to know is that you do not need about the website SEO, okay? You don't need email list. You don't need to post on social media. They run autopilot for you. So again, the system will simply set your sales and conversions on fire. And this is the total worth of it. You set it up, you buy it, set it up, you set up a system, okay, grab a copy of monthly income system, first step. Step 2, set up the system, and step 3, you're supposed to sit back and enjoy your free buyer traffic. So sounds very good. Now let me take you inside the members area. Here we are in the members area, monthly income system. There's upgrade to pro, support, and lockout. So I've already logged in. You will see, first of all, there's a welcome message from both of the creators, the vendors. That's welcome from Dawood Islam, welcome from Kent Browser. There are 2 of them. So if I go to an overview, you will see again there's an overview of monthly income system. I will not play it, but you can listen to Dawood. This is where you must understand what is it. He explains to you. So which means what? You can watch the video again and again and again until you understand. But better still, just go to each of the section and really get into it. Okay. Now then we go to the main one. This is the training, remember, systematic training. The main training section actually has this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then how to promote. So here he actually explains the training. He asks you to join his core website. And you notice here, his core website is, Dawood Islam has launched about 30 over products. So he has a special website and a Facebook group called the Elite Tigers Group. So you need to be those who have bought his products. So if you buy this monthly income system, then he gives you the password to join and invites you to join his special Elite Tigers group and his Facebook group, as well as his YouTube channel to subscribe. Now, so then you have joining our core website, the easy method. So he actually teaches the easy method with 1 link. You earn 1 stream. The other one is he gives you 5 products. And these are 5 products here. Promotion 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5, he wants you to get the approval for 5. He will give you the approval for 5. And these 5 you promote. He gives you 5 streams of income. That's what they want. So that it becomes a monthly income system. More than just 1 stream. So that's why he recommends that. So the easy method is what? 1 link. So if I click on easy method, you see him explaining about affiliate wealth maximizer. That means he gives you this link called affiliate wealth maximizer, a premium traffic, and so you just promote that. So that's one big stream of income. But if I were to click on the promotion number 1, okay, promotion 1 is called monthly income system, is called Hercules. So this is the one. It's a simple and powerful strategy to provide to profit daily from Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. It's called Hercules. Yeah. So this is one of them. And number 2, I just jumped to 1 and 2 to show you. Number 2 is SOTAM. What is SOTAM? State of the art mailer. Okay. Promotion number 2. So each of this, they give you the approval to join them, to promote them. So that's why if you're a newbie, you are given the opportunity to promote 5 major product groups, very big product groups. Now, then they also take you to how to promote. So in the how to promote section, they actually take you to how to promote, and then you click on the video, they will teach you. So let me close up this side. We come now, after the main training section, we now come to the resources, conclusion, bonuses. So the resources, they tell you here, they actually provide for you special squeeze pages. So just give you a clue. If you don't know what is a squeeze page, this is it. Alright, so I'm going to download the resource here, for example. Okay, let's go to SOTAM, this one mailer. So if you download it, yeah, this is the squeeze page. So free system, click out, and you click here, you give your fill in your email address. So it's called a squeeze page. They actually prepared the whole thing for you. Okay, let me get back here again. Let's close up the resources. Then the conclusion, I won't show you the bonuses that have lined up for you. So here they explain how to access your monthly income system bonuses here. You access it here in the members area. Alright. And then the upgrades are there. These are all the 5 upgrades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the unadvertised bonus they've lined up for you as well. Okay, pretty thorough. Very complete system that will help you. If you like it so far, and we have been to the sales page and the members area, hold on, I will take you to my special bonus bundle. And we do a quick summary there, plus we see the pricing, funnels and the pricing. Okay, so if you like it and you click in my link below in the video, it will bring you to this page where I'm telling you about the bonus bundle I have for you. So let's quickly go down and see what is a monthly income system. Again, just a quick summary. It's a completely saturation proof. It will continue producing results for months and even years from now. That's what the vendors are saying. Unlike other systems, monthly income system has been battle tested. They have tested it, they have refined and completely rebuilt before being released onto the market. So they've already done all the heavy lifting and testing out for you. So let's look at the prices. Now, front end is only $12.95. Okay, so I think as fast as possible. And all the upsell, there are 1, 2, 3, 5 upsell. You notice it. So now come the front end, access it. $12.95. I think that's good. Special. If you respond to it quick enough, there's a $3 discount so that it can become $9.95. Then there's the monthly income pro version at $37. I think I don't know what is a special discount maybe. So you can then get it at $20. So just be aware of that. Executive Club, reseller rights, and DIY campaigns, total traffic fix. Now, you notice that all of these upsells are available just now in the members area. And they are optional so that you do not need to buy the upsell. So when you get the front end, they will give you the upsell. You can just run all the way to the end and say, no thanks. It comes the next upsell. You run all the way to the end, no thanks. So you go down 5 times. Just be prepared for that. Okay? And get this, because what will the front end give you? You access the powerful monthly income system software and training modules. And if it works for you, you can then upgrade from within the members area. Okay? Because all that I've showed you are available to you in the front end. Now, if you like it, any of this yellow button you click on, it will get you the copy of monthly income system plus the bonuses I'm going to show you now. The first bonus is you access Jonas done for you campaigns for 365 days. Means you choose the done for you campaigns and you can get it to run for you. Okay, because Jono is a super affiliate, so in his done for you campaign, it's the very campaign that the model and template he used. So if you were to follow that, it should give you pretty good results. Then you trying it on your own. Second, I'm giving you built squeeze pages. Now, just now in the members area, they have got 5 products, 5 major promotion, and they have 5 squeeze pages for you. Here, in this particular one I'm giving you is you get to learn how to build squeeze pages and get people's name and their email address. Number 3 is the boost your WordPress SEO. SEO is your optimization of your website SEO. So this is important. And lastly, number 4 is the #1 course on Instagram. That's a very powerful social media platform. Access the #1 course on Instagram influencers. So this is important. Thank you so much. And also remember, you can access all the vendor bonuses from within the members area. So click here. For my bonuses, where do you get it? You'll get it from the Warrior Plus form. Access your purchase, and below it, access my affiliate bonuses. Thank you so much for watching my review of monthly income system.